So, my loves, Priscilla welcomes her husband home from London after the whole long wait. He went to tour with Diamond Platinums. So, they went for music tour in London, and then it was really, really amazing for them. And I can imagine, newly married couple, and then, waiting for your husband for a very long time. She drove to the airport and then welcomed her husband. But I wanted to take it back to how they went for the tour. But before I proceed, I'd like people to understand that people have a lot of ways to express the way they feel about their marriage. Some like it on social media, some just like to keep memories and all of that. So, in case you see people as young as these guys, showing off their emotions and expressing themselves and then trying to, keep memories. One, they are human beings. Juma, together with Diamond Platinums went for the UK tour. And of course, you don't need to say that it was sold out. So he sang that Ololufemi and then I think Ayomitide, because I know that song. Those two songs actually, brought this boy a lot of fame. Like, Nigerians really went all out with that song. I could remember all these TikTok influencers and some influencers using those songs then. Even businesses online were using that music to, do some marketing strategy. So, and of course, we all know that Diamond Platinums is very good at what he does, despite the whole drama that we've been seeing lately. But the guy knows how to handle stage and he can dance. So guys, I assume that they really sold out. Do you understand? And they really enjoyed themselves, and you can see that they are very, very happy, because even Juma Jokes actually said that it was really fun and thank God for the massive love. So this should definitely be behind the stage. After the whole show thing, they enjoyed themselves, and he even thought of, when he was about planning to come home, buy some things for his wife. Do you understand? He was even emphasizing that he missed his wife so much. Single people don't go like this thing. Single people will definitely not like this part. But I like the way he's loving this girl hard. And I noticed that a lot of bloggers from Tanzania lately has been, releasing some previous pictures of his ex. Please, can we all just move on and let this family be? They are just starting. It's already too late to start digging out some unnecessary things. I believe they must have discussed about it. Both parties must have talked about their past life, discussed about it, and move on. So I think we should all move on from that. Both Tanzania and Nigeria, can we allow them to rest and continue their marriage? Since we've prayed for them in all the weddings they've done, at least let us give them breathing space. Breathing space, I mean, is people trying to dig out some unnecessary past, not about talking about their distance, because that's why I'm here. But digging out people's past, I don't see what you're going to gain from those kind of things. So guys, this is how she welcomed her husband back. So I look forward to you coming back to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.